How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over a quick overview of our 3-row tailgate warning light bars. So we offer these units in our 48-inch and our 60-inch model. And on your unit, you'll have a warning row, your reverse and work light row, and then your stop tail turn functionality. So here, I'm using our 5 switch box. So I have my red power cable hooked up to my A switch here, and that will activate my warning row. And here I have my pattern cable hooked up to my E switch here, which is a momentary switch. So while my pattern mode is activated, I can switch flash patterns. Now you will have 33 flash patterns to choose from on these units. So you'll notice both of my units are on different flash patterns, but these units will have multiple flash patterns programmed in them. Now I brought a red-blue color model in the 60-inch in the back, and then an amber color model in the front in the 48-inch, but we offer both of these models in amber, red, blue, green, and clear color combinations for any application. So that's your warning row in the top row. Now your second row, that will be your green cable, and that will activate your reverse or work light. So you'll see there's a steady burn white row of LEDs there. And then your third row will be your stop tail turn functionality. So let's go ahead and go over that function. So on your cables here, you have your black ground cable, your red power cable, your yellow flash pattern cable, your green reverse or work light cable, and then here for your white, brown, and blue, this will be your stop and your left and right turn signal cables. So for example here, I went ahead and hooked up my ground cables, and then I'll apply power to the white cable here, and then you'll see that the white cable will activate the brake light functionality. And then you'll see that your brown cable will activate your right turn signal functionality. And then the blue cable will activate your left turn signal functionality. So you'll see with these light bars equipped with a warning row, a reverse and work light row, and your stop and turn signal row, that these would be great for any application. And again, these are available in our 48-inch and 60-inch models in amber, red, blue, green, and clear colors for any application. So check out our product pages where you can watch the full product demo, and also use our interactive players where you can demo your lights online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.